What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a fantastic men's scent, Dunhill Desire. Before we get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, and also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Okay, future Marcel here. So when I filmed this video for Dunhill's Desire, the first half filmed was actually me talking about Jordan Peele's new film, Nope. So I'm actually going to edit it so that is at the end. So if you're only here for the fragrance talk, as I suspect you probably are, that'll be up first. If you want to hear my thoughts on Jordan Peele's new film, Nope, that'll be at the end. And I forgot to mention that Michael Wincott is the highlight of that movie. His performance in Nope is friggin' incredible. He has the best voice of all time. There's one scene in particular where he's singing this song from our childhoods. I'm not gonna spoil which one. If you've seen the movie, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but just check out the film. It's absolutely incredible, and I'm still thinking about it. I'm still processing everything. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. So if you just want the fragrance talk, that'll be the first half of the video, and if you wanna hear my thoughts on Nope, that'll be my second half. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that, and also to mention that Michael Wincott is the fucking man. Let's get back to the fragrances. Dunhill Desire. This is such a slept-on fragrance, it's ridiculous. The vanilla in this fragrance, as it's portrayed, is just exceptional. It's such a bright vanilla scent. Usually when I'm smelling vanilla in a fragrance, it's overly sickly sweet, it's a nighttime scent, and then the vanilla sort of will take a backseat eventually to woods or even an incense note, something smoky or dark. But nah, Dunhill Desire, it has this really bright vanilla note, and it's ideal for the daytime. Like, this is one of those summer vanilla scents. It's very strong though, at least in my opinion and on my skin, and so I would recommend that you only go with a single spray in the really warm weather. So for instance, if you're in the UK right now, or if you're in the US and it's stinking hot and you really don't want to drown yourself in a fragrance, give this one a go, because the vanilla note in this is just fantastic. You're spending under $40 Australian for a scent that lasts on my skin over 12 hours, and it's just incredible when it comes to compliments. I've spoken about this one a couple of times before, and I just really wanted to do a video to just showcase this one, give it the love it deserves, because when you're spending under $40 for a fragrance, I feel like you do make certain sacrifices. That isn't the case with Dunhill Desire Red. This is just one of those scents that everyone is going to love on you, and I just can't imagine somebody disliking the way this one smells. I know it's the internet, surely there's somebody out there that doesn't like this, or somebody that only wears like really expensive niche scents, and I do understand that. But for the most part, I just really struggle to figure out a way that somebody would genuinely dislike this. So when it comes to fragrances that cost under $50 Australian, this is really probably in my top 3. It's such incredible value for the compliments, the overall DNA of the fragrance. You know, you've got that sweet, rich vanilla note. It's just incredible. It sort of reminds me of, like, imagine if Mercedes-Benz Club Black had no incense note and it wasn't really dark or wintry at all. It was just really brightened and made summer appropriate. This is sort of what you would get, at least in my opinion. Anyways, I'm really interested to find out if any of you guys have ever worn this one before. If you have, let me know in the comments below, as I can't wait to hear from you. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around. Okay, so before I actually talk about the fragrance, I just got out of the cinema. I saw Jordan Peele's new movie, Nope, and I thought it was incredible. I saw it with my father, and I thought he would not like it, but he actually did like it. So that in and of itself was surprising. But I'm not going to spoil anything, so don't worry about that. But I'm still trying to wrap my head around, there's a character in the film played by Stephen Ewan called Dupe. And yeah, Dupe, a fragrance, I know, right? Maybe it's pronounced a little differently, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, the character is like a child star, and he was in a sitcom that got cancelled for a very specific reason. I'm not going to go into that because it's sort of quite spoilery, but I'm just trying to wrap my head around like the relevance of that scene with the film. And to my head, I'm pretty sure it's got to do with like the whole predator and prey aspect. And yeah, I really just needed to let someone know about that. Like there's a lot of symbolism about predators and prey in this film. Maybe that's like not Jordan Peele's intention, maybe it is. But yeah, that film is like still making me think, and I got out of it a couple of hours ago. Just a really solid movie. And there's like one scene in particular, and it's like really dark, and the lead character is in the barn, and it's just so creepy and so well done, and I just wish the rest of the movie sort of stacked up with that sort of tension and creepiness, but I'm not going to say anything else. I highly recommend you go and see it if you haven't already.